boat tour of the Port of Melbourne.
We're going for a little cruise, learning about the port, see a couple of giraffes.
I really love my job, to be honest. I'm learning a lot of skills on and off job. I feel it's the best graduate program across Victoria. I encourage other young graduates to participate in this program, and it's really great, to be honest.
We are cruising and we are inspecting few dockside to know how the freight thing works. It's really nice. Everyone is really friendly and we are, meeting each other.
I'm working in the external works team up in the Hume region. I've got 2 other grads working with me. The chance to go on all the site visits around the Hume region, a lot to explore out there, and also getting out to see how the people actually build all the different road infrastructure we've got.
I was an intern last year, towards the end of last year. Very lucky, and I was super blessed to be in a really good team. We managed to create a role for me, and that was part of the graduate program.
One should apply for such graduate programs because this thing would surely change your life.